Escape to Mallorca presents a spectacular, fully furnished, immaculate property in the exclusive Monport area of Port Andratx. Walking up into the property's spacious terrace area to the infinity pool, this property is all about the views which can be enjoyed from just about every main room. Moving into the bright, spacious living area and onto the high-tech minimalist kitchen with high-end appliances as well as its own bodega. Take the stairs up to an inspiring office space. And onto the main bedroom. Featuring its own terrace, spacious dressing area, and bathroom. Moving on to another two beautiful ensuite bedrooms with the same enviable views across Andratx Port. Now from here, exit the property to access the annex, which includes its own private living accommodation. Then take the stairs down, out onto the terrace, and onto the sauna and steam room. With its own private gym. From the main terrace, access the private apartments below the main house. With its own kitchen, bedroom and ensuite, this accommodation boasts equally spectacular views. To organise a viewing, contact Claire now at Escape to Mallorca on 695 420 903.